Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing fantastic. As we all know, there's a new Ikea store opened in Bangalore and I've been dying to go. It's huge and great for people who love to decorate their home. I love it too, but my kiddo has turned our home upside down and it's usually messy. Anyways, here are my shopping bags and let me show you what's in them. Firstly, I bought this lovely artificial plant with the pot for the living room. Next is this bowl. It's actually a decor item to put these dried petals. These are scented and gives you a spa-like feel in your home. Some scented candles as Diwali is around the corner. A set of 3 small artificial plants. A flower vase. And some flowers to go with them. A square-shaped pillow for the sofa, and these are the pillow covers for them. A serving tray and non-stick tawa for the kitchen. 2 set of hangers for the wardrobe. A floor mat for the living room. And these are storage boxes for your wardrobe organization. It can be used for organizing your socks or makeup or whatever. I've used them for my makeup and skincare. It looks something like this and I found this very useful. Next are these cozy blankets. It's quite soft. A toilet cleaner. A side table for the living room. It looks something like this and it's very easy to assemble. Looks like this after the assembly. A stand for drying clothes indoors as well as outdoors, and lastly a cute snuggly bear for my kiddo. Hope this video was helpful in giving you a brief idea of what you can expect at IKEA. Do consider liking this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.